Why did she go to Las Vegas?
Why did she go to Las Vegas? Because she wanted to get rich.
What was the casino's name?
What was the casino's name? Its name was Caesar Palace.
Was she grinning or was she frowning?
Was she grinning or was she frowning? She was grinning.
Which table did she walk to?
Which table did she walk to? She walked to the blackjack table.
How much money?
How much money
Did she take out of her pocket?
did she take out of her pocket? She took $6,000.
Where did she take it out of?
Where did she take it out of? She took it out of her pocket.
How much money did she bet?
How much money did she bet? She bet on all the money.
And did she win or did she lose?
Or did she win or did she lose? She lost all of her money.
Why did she go to Alaska?
Why did she go to Alaska? Because she wanted to dig for gold.
Who wanted to dig for gold?
Who wanted to dig for gold? Vanilla wanted to dig for gold.
Why did Vanilla's back hurt?
Why did Vanilla back hurt? Because she had bad posture.
What kind of posture did Vanilla have?
What kind of posture did Vanilla have? She had bad posture.
Was her back straight? Or was it bent?
Was her back straight or was it bent? It was bent.
Why was Vanilla depressed?
Why was Vanilla depressed? Because she had no money.
What kind of business did she start?
What kind of business did she start? She started a chili business.
Where did she grow the chilies?
Where did she grow the chilies? She grew the chilies in her apartment.
What did she sell to restaurants?
What did she sell to restaurants? She sold chilies to restaurants.
Where did she go first?
Where did she go first? She went to Las Vegas.